Guys, I'm going to show you what my porch looks like in the day, but I'm also going to show you what it looks like at night because I have a little bit of a little surprise.
Show me your soul, and honey, I'll show you mine.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl Jen. That's with 1 J and 2 N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you are new here and this is your first time ever click on a vlog by your girl Jen, welcome and thank you so very much for clicking on that thumbnail that has brought you into this whole front porch, or small, like really small front porch fall decor for 2021. So guys, I'm excited because today is the first day that it has not rained starting out in the morning. Like, it is 7 o'clock on a Saturday morning. It is extremely humid. It is scheduled to rain later on because here in Georgia, it has rained almost all summer long. Almost every single day we have had rain. So what I wanted to do, guys, although it is extremely humid out and I feel like I'm just sweating sugar, I wanted to go ahead right now and start the process of redoing or updating my front porch so that it reflects this upcoming fall season. I'm really excited about that because fall is my favorite time of year. So with that being said, guys, let me show you some of the things I'm going to be using for my whole front porch fall theme this year. Some things are old and then some things are new, but I'm going to list everything down in the description box. And I'm also going to give you some links. And then also let me show you how I clean and prepare my front porch before I actually get into the decorating process or setting it up for fall. So guys, let's get started. Yeah, before it like pours down raining on me or it gets even more humid than it is right now.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's come, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do.
So as I'm cleaning my front porch to prepare for fall, I want to take it a step farther and actually pressure wash the concrete and the siding. Recently, I laid out some bags of mulch that I used to remulch my flower beds, and the black dye left some stains, as you can see here on the concrete, and then it also left some stains on the siding.
So nice, I can't.
So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to use my Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer that I got from Home Depot, along with this Zep all-in-one cleaner.
Let's come, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
Now, I don't ever pressure wash my entire home. Every year I hire a professional for that, but it's nice to have my own system so that I can do spot cleaning throughout the year.
Down, down, wasting my time. This sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
As you can see, this setup is quick and easy, and this Ryobi has an auto diluting tank so that I don't have to pre-mix the formula with water before using it. I just start from the bottom, soaping up the siding, making sure that I'm making even strokes, and then I rinse from top to bottom with even strokes as well, making sure to rinse very thoroughly. Doing this method will prevent oxidation, which then I would have to get a professional to come in and fix, and that can be quite expensive.
Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. blushing. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Okay guys, so I am sitting on the floor of my garage again because I have finished cleaning everything. I have cleaned the siding, the concrete, the window, the door, the rocking chair, and the mats that go, you know, in front of the door. So what I wanted to do really quickly is show you how I'm putting together this little decor idea that I have that I found on Pinterest. I hope, fingers crossed, that it comes together because I thought it was so super cute. Here I have these beautiful lanterns in 2 different sizes and styles that I got from Walmart. The medium-sized lantern was about $10 and then the larger one was $16. I thought that those were good prices because lanterns can be quite expensive, and since I'm using these outside, you know, I didn't want to pay too much money for them. I have several bags of white and off-white colored plastic pumpkins that I purchased from my local Hobby Lobby. My plan is to fill each lantern with the pumpkins. I think that this will be a super cute way to display them instead of just sitting them out like I do every year. Now guys, while I'm doing this, what I want you to do is drop a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what your favorite part of fall is. Like, what is your absolute favorite thing about fall? Like, what is your absolute favorite thing about fall? For me, guys, it's the change in weather. It is so humid in Georgia, and I just cannot wait for it to cool off and be able to enjoy that nice, cool weather without all of the humidity that's in the air that makes it absolutely thick and somewhat uncomfortable. So yes, guys, down below right now, drop a comment and let me know what your favorite part of fall is.
I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Te quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. Te África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista se
Told me that I
especula.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo más. Esto está fijo más.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my.
Whew. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have gone in the house. I have taken a nice hot bath. I've put on a cute little dress, did a little bit to my face because I'm about to go out and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. But before I do, I want to show you how my front porch has come together. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Also, if you're not yet subscribed because you know you were waiting till you got to the end to make a decision, go ahead right now and smash the red subscribe button. Guys, I'm going to show you what my porch looks like in the day, but I'm also going to show you what it looks like at night because I have a little bit of a little surprise. So keep watching, don't click off yet. Let's see how everything came together.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is.
And just like that, guys, we've made it to the end of this vlog video. Thank you so very much for rocking out with your girl Jen. Until I see you in the next vlog, which I have a few listed down in the description box, I will see you in my next vlog video. Bye guys.